the terrifying jungles of backyard. The terrifying jungle of backyard. Backyard is a very strange place. The backyard is very strange, full of weird buildings such as this, full of angels, ladders, feed, and weird dinosaur birds. Scary. Let's take a look. Oh my! Dinosaur wants to stay back! There's more of them! Locked. Ah, dinosaur birds! Is that a dead dinosaur bird? Excuse me, guys. Dinosaur bird, stay back. It's a dead dinosaur bird. Baby dinosaur birds. Oh, it's warm. Take that, foul beast. Those guys are terrifying. Look at them. They murdered him. He was one of them, and they murdered him. Okay, these are terrifying. No. A few days later, we're back. I got an egg and, well, dinosaur bird egg. Oops. Oh well. You probably leave this place. Guys, we're jumping over the fence! We're not safe!